This is a consonant sound. Now in English, you will never find it at the beginning of a word because it only comes at the end of a syllable. So you find it in the middle of the word anger, and the middle of the word thanks, and at the end of the word rung. Now we make this sound towards the back of the mouth. And if you do this sound correctly, you can feel a vibration in your nose. Now let's practice. Listen to these examples and repeat after me. Rung, anger, thanks. Okay. Now it can be difficult to hear the difference between this sound, and another similar consonant, n. Listen carefully. Rung, run, rung, run. Now ng is made at the back of the mouth and n is made behind the teeth. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Rung, run, rung, run. Now let's have some more examples. Listen first. Tongue, ton, wing, win, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Tongue, ton, wing, win, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Okay.